Hey, this is Robert Radcliffe with the Radcliffe Group at Sotheby's International Realty. And once again, so excited and proud to be introducing this incredible home for sale and for lease. We're here at 23255 Mariposa de Oro, here in Malibu's Serra Retreat. And I've said this before with many of the homes that I've represented here in this neighborhood. Serra Retreat is a fairy tale to live in. This location is phenomenal. Besides the fact that I actually used to live 3 doors over and I still live here in this neighborhood, I know it extensively, and the advantages of this particular home and its location are as ideal as you get. We're in a 24-hour guard-gated community. We're steps away from Whole Foods, all the shopping, literally a short walking distance from here. We've got a beautiful running creek right next to us over here on the side. Incredible homes and neighbors that surround this area. We have the Serra Retreat Monastery literally right up above us with panoramic views, a beautiful walk down Mariposa de Oro, which really is probably one of the prettiest streets, if not the prettiest street here in Serra Retreat. It is absolutely amazing here. This home is also phenomenal. 8,500 square feet with a guest house, pool, an acre of grounds. It is absolutely phenomenal. It's got this Italianate style exterior with a very modern interior, which I'm going to take you through, and I think you're going to be just as impressed as I am. The grounds itself are absolutely gorgeous in landscape. That is one of the small casitas or an office space at the very end of this camera view. But we're going to take a look through the entire house. Again, it's about 8,500 square feet, and we're on an acre of land. So follow me through. As you can see, an incredible entry, 2-story high ceilings, great volume of space. We've got a powder room over here to your left. Again, just the glamour of this house. It's kind of like old Hollywood vibe with this modern taste and decor throughout. And just, to me, it's such a phenomenal house. And again, as you walk through, obviously straight out to the yard, great outdoor fire pit or fireplace. Sitting area, I've been here for so many events over the years. I mean, literally like dozens and dozens. People here are actually my good friends. So coming on through here, look what they've done with this kitchen. I mean, talk about a chef's dream kitchen. This is like literally as good as it gets, right? Top of the line appliances, especially the stove. Let's point that out. Obviously, you've got your dual center island, double sinks, tons of storage, pantry area over here as well, and entrance for staff to come through this side over here to the kitchen area to unload groceries, etc. Coming through here, I want to point out, I'll have Connor going through to the James Bond media room. Very, very cool. Not a bad place to chill and watch a show, watch a movie. Family room here, which is, again, the house speaks for itself. I mean, it's just phenomenal. And I love how all of these main rooms, and again, I've been here for so many events with these doors split open, an in and outdoor flow to it all. It's just incredible. Speaking of, why don't we go on outside? So again, the yard space, we're on an acre, absolutely totally private. We've got Serra Retreat Monastery up there. It's a 2-story guest house. The access is around the side. Downstairs are sleeping quarters, upstairs an office space. Once again, totally private. Been here for events as well as I mentioned. You've got the access for your staff to come out here, the bartender, caterer, etc. I want you to spin around over here, Connor. Take a look back up at the house and the grounds. Again, extending past those palm trees. All right, so this is the guest house. The downstairs is amazing. I'm gonna take you upstairs as well. Come on through. What a cool, hip little guest house. Obviously not being used as sleeping quarters, but can be. And then Connor, why don't you roll on through to your bathroom. Which is really nice. And I have this closed. There's tons of storage out there and a lot of real estate. I guess we can take a little peek. I wouldn't say that that's eye candy right now, but just to show you the space. Voila. All right, now follow me to the upstairs. Currently used as storage space, but this is an awesome guest house as well, the second story of it that can be used separately from the downstairs. Being used obviously as a storage space now. But we have a little kitchenette on this side. And tons of space. We'll finish up here taking a look, Connor, at the bathroom. Guest house, plenty of space and storage on the back side of this as well for parking, storage, gardening equipment, so it can be out of sight. We'll go through here a little bit later. I want to take you into the house. Oh, before we go, let's roll over here for just a moment. Because again, there's tons of real estate here. I mean, look at this gorgeous fountain area. The fountain's currently not on, but really, really pretty. Been here for events with tons of seating up here, almost like stage effect, where again, if you're hosting an event, boom, which I've watched Bill give wonderful presentations from here. I mean, this is really magnificent. It's as good as we get. As mentioned, a detached office space over there. Come on through. There's a private little courtyard on this side for access for this guest room, which we'll see in just a moment. While we're here, we're going down to it. So this house is on 3 levels. Here's one of the bedrooms down this lower level. Clearly, it's really good space, good size, plenty of room for 2 people. You've got separate entry from here as well, in case you have long-term guests. They want their separate access off of the driveway. They have a great, huge walk-in closet, private bathroom. This whole downstairs could be used just for your guests. Follow me. Access to your garage here. Plenty of pantry space here. Coming on through, we've got a cameo with the laundry being done. Look at this room down here, which is awesome. Oh, lots of storage being used, but this is your massage room with infrared light sauna. Wasn't expecting to see the storage, but we're all good. See the space? Again, it's actually built in. It's got a beautiful backdrop back there of, I believe that's marble, and desk space. So this was used again as a massage room. Down here was a TV room that's currently used as obviously a kids' playroom. Built in here, once again, been here for many TV events, just watching down here. And again, this downstairs is great if you have obviously kids. This was a yoga room being used now again as a kind of a kids playroom, but it's really, really nice because we're on the lowest of 3 levels, totally away from everything to have privacy, let the kids do what they want down here. Again, having yoga classes or whatever away from the house. This is also access to garage as well. Actually, that was storage. This is garage. Come on up. Small little powder room off of here. And let's get one more look back at the family room because now I have the lights on. Isn't that nice? Such a beautiful room. All right, follow me. We're back here into this entry that we came into, looking out straight to our backyard. That's one of the things about with any home and in this home. I love when you walk into a house and it's boom, like you just, in this case, look straight out to your backyard. You see the expansiveness of the house, the yard. Yeah, just got that wow factor. All right, so let's come on back here. We have a guest bedroom down here. This was used as a bedroom at one point, but it's currently being used as like a den area. Here's that area that I had mentioned that has the outdoor sort of private garden sitting area for this room. This also has closet space and a 3/4 bathroom over here. Let me step out of the way. All right, follow me. So again, you've got 2 bedrooms down here. You have that media room over there, and then the downstairs, that whole third of the house. I love this area. I mean, again, with your entry, 2-story ceiling entry, big volume of space. I love the custom crown moldings. So I'm going to point this out in a moment. This is access to the back, to his side of the closet, in case you wanted to leave or allowing someone to sleep. Come on through here. Here's our primary suite with fireplace. I mean, look at this room. Talk about a sexy, romantic primary. I want to add to it. Forget about it. Like, this is such a great room. We have great patio space out here. Currently, the outdoor furniture is being refurbished, but this is great for outdoor area off your primary, private for the primary. The lavish, luxurious bathroom speaks for itself. primary. One more look at it, Connor. All right, follow me down. So closet space will not disappoint. Tons of storage here. We've got what would be considered his side of the closet here. And as I mentioned, that door leads to that hallway in case the gentleman getting ready wants to leave, spouse is sleeping, access in and out through there. So not needing to go back through the sleeping quarters of the primary. And then here is our, what would be considered her side. I mean, once again, this does not disappoint, does not suck. Come on back through. All right, so continuing on, primary suite, I'm sure all agree is quite phenomenal. We've got these 2 bedrooms back over here. So we have 3 up, 2 down, 5 in the main house, not including down below. Look at the size of these rooms, which are really, really nice. Come on through. In suites, own private bath, obviously closet space over here. Beautiful daughter's room, and really, really nice redone shower, bathroom, etc. So once again, about 8,500 square feet, 5 bedrooms in the main house. You have 3 bedrooms upstairs. You have those 2 bedrooms downstairs, one that's currently used as a den. We have that TV media room, and then down below, you have that incredible suite, right? Like almost a secondary suite or guest room, down at the very bottom level with its own private access, and then leading back to that lower corridor, the massage room, bathroom down there, TV room down there, yoga room down there, extra family room down there, tons of down there, and a lot to do as far as entertaining and having guests or kids, what have you, have that total private space. Now, not including, or let's not forget, we've got that guest room, casita, that's used as a detached office, and a 2-story guest house, which we'll take a look at as well. So once again, we're at 23255 Mariposa de Oro in Malibu, Serra Retreat, and this place is phenomenal. If you'd like to take a private tour of the house, by all means, give us a call at 310-317-9900. And this is Robert Radcliffe with the Radcliffe Group at Sotheby's International Realty. Thanks for watching.